Happy ride day, Broknex. The sun is shining and the birds is chirping, and we is gonna ride. We're gonna try and go to 27 Mile all the way out to well, shit, it's Alaska out there. See if we can find ourselves some winter. I'm gonna bring a four-wheeler and try not to get hurt. Made it to 27. Things are froze. Actually found some winter. Wind is howling. You can't stand on this stuff. Woo. Wheeler's not happy, but I am. Here's little Grizz.
Yeah, me too.
You can see where it broke loose. And I was ah! Give her gas! Give her hell!
Woo!
Utopia?
Yeah.
Doesn't take long to get there as long as we don't run into any problems.
Well, yeah, we gotta stay off the river.
Start with Jim's face.
Yep. Snotty Nose Utopia. We found winter.
Yes, snow is here.
Mm-hmm.
It is fun to play on.
Not good. Okay, we're not shutting it off. We need to go. Ah! Okay, so not only is it ridiculously windy, but it's ridiculously cold. I'm gonna try and do a motovlog. Don't know if you'll be able to hear me. All I can hear is this ridiculous wind. We got moments of extreme terror, no traction at all, frozen snow, ice, and frozen rivers that I hope are frozen. And I hope Sean knows where he's going. Otherwise, we're gonna die. Ooh. Wow. Ah! 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 Going right across, don't like it. Ah! Open river. Not good, don't want to die. That's the Copper River, some of it. Odds are it's only like 2 inches deep, but the last thing I want to do is get wet. We'll find a good place to get across here. Alright, see you on the other side, John. Ha ha ha! Woohoo! We almost. It might have been cool had it not sucked. Sweet. We took the wrong road.
Didn't have enough balls to drop off.
It's a whole lot steeper than it looks too.
Steeper, and I really didn't want to go up and over the thing. I just kind of wanted to run down the street.
I think we're pretty much hauling butt here. I have no idea how fast. A little too fast for wet glare ice. No traction. Oh fuck. This is not going to be good if we hit something. Interesting. Step. Don't go to the lake, don't go to the lake. Wonder how solid it is. I did it! I did it!